Okay, righto, this is the second part of this video. I have a problem with this, the water in the pipe. The water that stays in this pipe system, I think is too heavy. The small 3/4 horsepower pool pump can't start pumping the water in the circle here. So what my next plan is, first to put two parallel lines here. I can make two parallel lines so that it is a shorter distance. And then I'm going to shift it over to that little roof over there. There's also a lot of sun there. And then it's flat, and it's horizontal. And then I'm going to put it at another vacuum breaker in both sides, so the water can stay in there. And hopefully the pool pump will start circulating. The best thing is maybe to put a one non-return valve in from the incoming side, but I'm not spending more money. I'm first going to see if the heat, if there's enough sunlight, or it picks up enough sun to make the water warm. So next project is now just going to first take this vacuum breaker out, put it in a different place, put two parallel lines in, and then go from there. Okay, this is my last and hopefully positive outcome. You see, I move it to the little veranda of Ducky, and I put two vacuum breakers in there on each side. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's just see. Hope it's I just wait for the glue to dry and the sun to come out. I showed there three what do you call it, clamps. I don't have enough clamps, but then as I said, this is now horizontal, and maybe there's also a lot of sun here. Maybe the pump won't have so much issue to circulate the water here. And there's two parallel lines. You can see I cut it in half, so two 45-meter lengths, and hopefully it will go better. We will let you know once the sun comes out and switch the pump on.